Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Now we are going to. Yesterday we people have learned 54 exclamation. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn phrases. Phrases is what? छोटे छोटे वाक्य. कल हम लोग ने एक्सक्लेमेशन देखा, जो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक्सप्रेस करते हैं अपने आप को. तभी एक छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स में हम लोग क्या किया है, देखा है, स्टडी किया है, लर्न किया है. ओके, अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, कल तो एक्सक्लेमेशन देखा, अभी छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, छोटे छोटे वाक्य, दैट इज व्हाट, फ्रेजेस. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, फ्रेजेस. आपको देखो स्कूल, इसमें आपको फ्रेजेस, मेक अ राइट अ सेंटेंस यूजिंग फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस, ये आपको एक क्या आता था, क्वेश्चन आता था. सो व्हाट डज इट कॉल, फ्रेजेस इज छोटे छोटे वाक्य. Abhi, now see this sentences, this short sentences you are using in daily conversation, isn't it? See, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ. अभी means what? Just. आ रहा हूँ. ing. This what action is still going on. That is what? Just coming. Now मेरे साथ बोलो. Just coming. Just coming. Just coming. What does it mean?
मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ.
Very good. Next is what? बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. That is what? Very well. Very well. Very well. Very well means what? बहुत अच्छा. स्पेलिंग देखिए, वेरी वेल, VRY, ल, स्ट्रेस देते हैं, ल. सो व्हाट इज दैट, डबल स्पेलिंग. Okay, understood these two sentences? Just coming, I'm just coming, wait for me, I'm just coming. Okay, and see, whatever you are learning today, that you have to use in conversation. After this lesson is getting over, we are using these particular sentences in conversation. You are getting my point? You are understanding whatever I am speaking? समझ में तो आ रहा है ना, मैं एक्शन करके आपको बोल रही हूँ, है कि नहीं? तो अगर नहीं समझा, प्लीज आप क्या कीजिए, पूछिए, आस्क मी व्हाट डज इट मीन. ओके, नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द थर्ड सेंटेंस, दैट इज व्हाट, अच्छी बात है. सो व्हाट वी पीपल दैट मीन स्पीक, दैट इज फाइन. वेरी गुड. नाउ फाइन.
Fine.
Very good.
Very good.
Fine.
Fine.
Very good.
Very good.
Fine.
Fine.
Very good.
Very good.
Four sentences. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you like or as you please. As you like. 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 Then next is what? What does it say meaning है? As you please. As you please. As you please. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. Okay. Next is what? और कुछ. और कुछ means what? Anything else? Anything else? और कुछ है क्या? Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Next. Next is अभी how many sentences are there? Five are there. Please note down the sentences fast, my dear children. Come on fast. First of all, write today's date. Day is a day also write. What is date today, children?
3 December. 2 December. 3
December.
कितना है? कितना है? Yes. अभी now see, these are the small things are there. You can learn. 3 December never say. 3rd December. What do you have to say? 3rd December. 3rd December. Right there. 3rd December 2024. What is day today? What is day today? Tuesday. Yes. Tuesday. Now we'll go for the next one. Now see, sometimes what happen, you know, we people get fed up of that. बस रहने दो. What does that mean? That is endless talk. Okay? That's enough. That's enough. बस अभी. That's enough.
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 What does that mean? That is. क्या है? इज को शॉर्ट में क्या लिखा है? दैट्स. ओके, नाउ वी आर कमिंग एपोस्ट्रॉफी. एपोस्ट्रॉफी पढ़ा रहेगा ना आप लोगों ने, है कि नहीं? दैट इज व्हाट? पंक्चुएशन. पंक्चुएशन है ना, उसमें एपोस्ट्रॉफी. दैट इज वी आर मेकिंग शॉर्ट, सो व्हाट वी पुट देयर? एपोस्ट्रॉफी एस. व्हाट डज इट मीन? दैट इज. ओके, नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. थैंक्स फॉर दिस ऑनर. पहले समझ लो, ऑनर. ऑनर अभी एच है कि नहीं? लेकिन हम लोग को कैसे बोलना है? ऑनर. वाई? बिकॉज एच इज साइलेंट. ओके, ऑनेस्ट. ऑनेस्ट यानी ईमानदार. हॉनेस्ट नहीं बोलना है. क्या बोलना है? ऑनेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस सेंटेंस है इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद. तो धन्यवाद थैंक्स और ऑनर इज व्हाट? सम्मान. नाउ विल स्टार्ट. Thanks for this honor.
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 Okay.
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 Next is why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Next is थोड़ा सा. थोड़ा का मतलब क्या है? Bit. Not a bit. So what does it mean? थोड़ा सा भी नहीं. थोड़ा यानी क्या? Bit. So what does it mean? Not a bit. Speak out. Not a bit.
Not a bit.
Not a bit. Understood this sentence? ये समझ में आया है? Everybody understood? Okay, please write. See, this particularly in messages, you people write there TC. TC means what? Take care. Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Next is see you tomorrow.
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 Please make a note. What is the spelling for this? Tomorrow. Two. T-O. More. More. Ro. Ro. Double R. O-W. Okay. When we are stressing on particular alphabet, so what will be there? Double alphabet. Okay. See you tomorrow.
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 Next. Yes, by all means. Yes, by all means. Yes, by all means. Yes, by all means. Means what? हाँ जरूर. जरूर. Okay. Next is what? That is too much. That is too much.
That is too much.
Too. Too. Okay. That is too much.
That is too much.
That is too much.
That is too much.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
टेक केयर. ध्यान रखना. कल मिलेंगे. सी यू टुमारो. हाँ जरूर. यस, बाय ऑल मीन्स. बहुत है. दैट इज टू मच. हाँ सर. हाँ. यस सर. Okay, write fast 15 sentences. And children, that please make a separate book for this course. Okay, don't write in khichdi book. Khichdi, you know, everything will be that in the same book. Now next is nahi kabhi nahi. No, not at all. No, not at all. No, not at all. Okay, नहीं नहीं कभी नहीं. No, not at all. Next is what? कोई बात नहीं. तो what? Never mind. Doesn't matter. Never mind. Doesn't matter. Never mind. Doesn't matter. क्या है उसका मतलब? है कोई बात नहीं और कुछ नहीं. कुछ नहीं. नहीं. Nothing else. Else is what? और कुछ नहीं. क्या? Nothing else. कुछ भी नहीं है. That is what? Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Understood this much? Okay. Now कोई खास बात नहीं. आज कुछ स्पेशल है. कुछ स्पेशल रहे. ड्रेस पहना है. अच्छा ड्रेस, नया ड्रेस पहना है. तो व्हाट इज दैट? नथिंग स्पेशल. nothing special, nothing special, nothing special. Okay, next is what? Welcome. So what? आइए, welcome. Welcome to my channel. वेलकम टू माय चैनल मिस, आइए, आपका स्वागत है कि नहीं? किसको आप बोले, किसी ने बोला थैंक्स, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? वेलकम। है कि आपका ऑलवेज क्या है? स्वागत, यानी कभी भी आप मुझसे मांग सकते हो। ओके, सो क्या है यहाँ पे? नो, नॉट एट ऑल, कोई बात नहीं, नेवर माइंड, और कुछ नहीं, नथिंग एल्स, कोई खास बात नहीं, नथिंग स्पेशल, आइए, वेलकम। से भरोसा रखे, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, रेस्ट पहले सुन के लो, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, अभी रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, यानी आप भरोसा रखो, आपका काम हो जाएगा, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? बहुत दिन से देखा नहीं। ओके, सो लॉन्ग टाइम नो से, लॉन्ग टाइम बहुत दिन से, नो सी यानी, या फिर आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सीन, देखा नहीं, है कि नहीं? तो बोलिए लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी, लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी, लॉन्ग टाइम नॉट सी। नेक्स्ट इज अच्छा चलते हैं, गुड बाय, गुड बाय, गुड बाय, स्पेलिंग देखो, बाय। ओके, आप लोग क्या लिखोगे? बी आई, नहीं, बी वाई ई। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? बाय बाय, बाय बाय,
Bye bye.
बाय बाय,
Bye bye.
बी वाई, बी वाई। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? जरा सा भी नहीं, जरा सा भी, जरा लिस्ट, जरा लिस्ट, जरा सा का मतलब क्या है? लीस्ट, कम कम। ओके, और नहीं नॉट, तो क्या आएगा? नॉट द लिस्ट, नॉट द लिस्ट, नॉट द लिस्ट, नॉट द लिस्ट। ओके, सो भरोसा रखे, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड, बहुत दिन से देखा नहीं, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, नॉट सी, अच्छा चलते हैं, गुड बाय, आपको विदा, बाय बाय, जरा सा भी नहीं, नॉट द लिस्ट। Please write. Earlier, we people have seen exclamation yesterday. Now, just now, we people have seen what is that? Short sentences, that is phrases. Now, these are the what? Sentences of command or order. Command, command, push, shut up, don't talk. That is my command. और whenever that official, official में ना कहाँ पे, तो आपको क्या देते हैं? ऑर्डर देते हैं। ओके, नहीं, सबॉर्डिनेट, सबॉर्डिनेट मीन्स व्हाट? जूनियर को सीनियर ऑर्डर देते हैं। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट? स्पोर्ट, दिस इज हिंदी, ये हुआ है, तो क्या है? आई से स्टॉप, आई से स्टॉप, से स्टॉप बोलना इज द डिफरेंट, आई से स्टॉप, that means what? My order, I say stop. Okay, understand what is the expression? Okay, I say, so you people are saying stop, that is not the order, but whenever you say along with I say, so what is what? That is my order, I say stop. So this is what? Order, command. So first is what? I say stop, I say stop, I say stop, I say stop. I may say बोलता हूँ, stop. Okay. Next is what? Speak, speak, speak,
Speak.
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 Spelling देखो, speak, speak, speak,
Speak.
speak,
Speak.
speak, 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 speak.
Speak.
प स आधा है, speak.
Speak.
Okay, come on, pass. Speak,
Speak. Speak.
speak,
Speak.
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 Very good. Listen,
Listen.
listen यानी सुनो, listen का स्पेलिंग देखो, listen.
Listen.
टी बोलते हैं, टी बोलते हैं हम लोग नहीं, that is what? Silent. Okay, जिसका that spelling is there in the word, but that spelling we people not speaking out, that is called the silent. Okay, listen,
Listen.
listen,
Listen.
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 Okay, this is what? Command or order. Understood? Next is what? wait here, wait here,
Wait here.
wait here,
Wait here.
wait here.
Wait here.
यहाँ पे ही रुको. That is my order. That is my command. So expression will be what? Change. Okay. Please shut your mouth. That is request. That tone will be the what? Lower one. That will be the what? That is slowly will speak. Okay. But whenever that order is there, whenever that command is there, so what will it do? Stressfully. Wait here. Okay. So next is what? Idhar आओ. Come here.
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 आ जाओ. क्या है वो? कमांड है, ऑर्डर है. अंडरस्टूड दिस मच? हाउ टू this is the part of the speaking. How you are express. Words are same. Words are anybody is working. You start writing. Stop. Anybody is working. Please stop. If you are using please, only stop you are saying. So what will be there? Request. But if you say, I say stop, so what will be there? Command or order. Some spelling in Hindi are this thing. See, you can make it correct. See, ruko. Okay. So, ru it is ru. Can we start? पहले क्या किया था? Begin. Shall we begin? Shall we proceed? Proceed, continue. Then, क्या किया है? Can we start next? Okay. Observe, notice. Look here. Look here. Don't look back. Okay. Look here.
Look here.
Look here.
Look here.
Look here.
Look here.
Next is no. Take it.
Take it.
This is command. This is order. Expression C. Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Take it.
Next is what? Come near.
Come near.
Near is what? Pass. Come near.
Come near.
Come near.
Come near.
Come near.
Come near.
Okay. Next is what? Wait outside.
Wait
Wait outside.
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 Next is upar go. Means what? Go up. Go up.
Go up.
Go up.
Go up.
Go up.
Go up.
Okay. So first इधर देखो. Look here. You have to say in English. इधर देखो.
Look here.
Yellow.
Take it.
पास आओ.
Come here.
बाहर इंतजार करो. Wait outside. ऊपर जाओ.
Go up.
Very good. Now we are coming to the next. Now we said that go up. Okay. Now it is what? Go down. What is that? Go down. Go down. Next is what? Get off. Get off. See? Now particularly this sentence you people use while traveling. Okay. कोई ना this lady we are saying हम लोग देखते हैं ओके जो ना इंग्लिश में बात कर रही है एंड वी वांट टू आस्क हर हम लोग तो पूछते हैं ना तो क्या पूछना है वेर यू वांट टू गेट ऑफ हाँ वेर यू वांट टू गेट ऑफ कहाँ पे आपको कहाँ पे उतरना है क्लेम लगाते हैं ट्रेन में है कि नहीं सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क दैट क्या पूछना है आपको वेर यू वांट टू गेट ऑफ और अभी जब भी हम लोग उतरते हैं तभी क्या बोलते हैं आर यू गेटिंग डाउन गेटिंग डाउन गेटिंग डाउन यानी उतर रहे हैं आईएनजी उतर रहे हैं दैट एक्शन अभी तक हुआ नहीं है उतर रहे हैं ओके सो दिस आर द वर्ड्स यू हैव टू यूज व्हाइल व्हाट ट्रैवलिंग इन अ ट्रेन हम लोग मुंबई में रहते हैं कितनी भीड़ रहती है बैठना को नहीं सीट मिलता है तभी क्या करते हैं ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन हम लोग पूछ सकते हैं गेट ऑफ उतर जाओ गेट ऑफ गेट ऑफ गेट ऑफ गेट ऑफ गेट ऑफ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट तैयार हो जाओ ओके गेट रेडी गेट रेडी
Get ready.
गेट रेडी
Get ready.
और बी रेडी
Be ready.
बी रेडी रेडी यानी रेडी रहो
Ready.
या फिर गेट रेडी रेडी हो जाओ ओके सो गेट रेडी
Get ready.
This is what? Command. This is what? Order. So how you are going to speak out? Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Get ready.
Next is what? Chup raho. Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Next is what? Be careful.
Be careful.
सावधान रहो. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Yeah. Be cautious.
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 Now I'll ask in Hindi. You have to speak in English. नीचे जाओ. Go down. उतर जाओ. Get off. तैयार हो जाओ.
Ready.
Be ready. Get ready. चुप रहो.
Keep quiet.
सावधान रहो.
Be
Be careful. Be cautious. धीरे चलो. Go slowly. Go slowly. Go slowly. Walk slowly.
Walk slowly.
Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Now we'll start again this thing. Go slowly. Go slowly. Go slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Next is what? Go at once.
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 Okay. Next is what? Stop here. यहाँ रुको. Stop
Stop
here.
here.
रुको. Stop.
here.
यहाँ here. Stop here.
Stop here.
Stop here.
Stop here.
Stop here.
Stop here.
Next is go straight.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Go straight.
नेक्स्ट यानी सीधे जाओ. चले जाओ. निकल जाओ. Go away.
Go away.
Go away.
Go away.
Go away.
Go away.
और get out.
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Okay. Next. धीरे चलो. Now you have to speak in English loudly. जोश से. धीरे चलो.
Go slowly.
धीरे चलो.
Go slowly.
Next time, whatever the alternate is there, that you have to say. धीरे चलो.
Go slowly.
धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. तुरंत जाओ.
Go at once.
यहाँ रुको.
Stop here.
सीधे जाओ.
Go straight.
चले जाओ.
Get out.
चले जाओ.
Go away.
Say, this is our practice, today's topic, and this problem every day sometimes you people face. है कि नहीं? So, मेरा फोन कहाँ है? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Okay, you are searching phone. So, where is? Where यानी कहाँ? Is means what? Present. है. My, मेरा phone. Where is my phone?
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 Always now this keep in mind whatever the sentences I am giving that you have to practice and you have to speak out without saying. बिना देखे आपको बोलना है. अब्बी का अब्बी. That is why हम लोग thrice 3 टाइम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. माइंड में फिक्स करो. ओके. हार्डली दैट शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस आर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी आर देयर? शॉर्टेस्ट सेंटेंस कितना है यहाँ पे? ओनली दिस मच. 1 2 3 4 5 6 ओनली. बट सीक्वेंस वाइज आई वांट नाउ. सो कीप इन माइंड. ओके. वेयर इज माय फोन?
Where is my phone?
हियर इट इज.
Here it is.
वेयर इज माय फोन?
Where is my phone?
हियर इट इज.
Here it is.
वेयर इज माय फोन?
Where is my phone?
हियर इट इज.
Here it is.
Next, my phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
Where is my phone?
Where is my phone?
Here it is.
Here it is.
What is that? My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
Dead means what?
Battery
पता नहीं. तो first sentence, where is my phone? Here it is. माय फोन इज डेड. 3 सेंटेंस हुआ. रहेगा याद. टुमारो ऑल्सो आई आस्क. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट. हियर इज चार्जर. हियर इज द चार्ज. दो वो फोन का स्पेशल है. कोई भी चार्जर नहीं चलेगा इसको. जब भी स्पेशल है तभी क्या यूज करते. द. वो फोन का स्पेशल चार्जर है. सबका नहीं चलेगा. यूनिवर्सल नहीं चलेगा. है कि नहीं. Here is the charger.
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 Where is my phone?
Where is my phone?
Here it is.
Here it is.
My phone is dead.
My phone is dead.
Here is the charger.
Here is the charger.
Where is my phone?
Where is my phone?
Here it is.
My
Phone is dead. Here is the charger. Next is what? Put my phone on charge. 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 Where is my phone? Here it is. My phone is dead. Now from the beginning only you have to speak out. बेटा अब देख के बोलो. पहले क्या है? Where is my phone? Here it is. My phone is dead. Here is the charger. Put my phone on charger. यहाँ पे क्या है? Put my phone on charge. Okay? Charger भी बोल सकते. Okay? Next is what? The charger is not working. That charger, yeah, the charger. The charger is not working. The charger is not working. The charger is not working. नहीं काम कर रहा है. पहला सेंटेंस बोलिए. Where is my phone? Here it is. My phone is dead. Here is the charger. Put my phone on charger. The charger is not working. हो गया. 6 माइंड में फिक्स है. अभी देखना नहीं है. बोलिए. Where is my phone? Here it is. My phone is dead.
Here is the charger. My phone. Put my phone on charge.
Put my phone on the charge.
The charger is not working.
Okay? माइंड में फिक्स. चलो.